And the onions.
Right, now these go in roughly every 4 inches. Right, there's a top and a bottom. Roots go out the bottom.
Can I help? I'm just
Well,
doing this.
you do. Right. Hang on, Joe. You can help.
Yeah, of course you can help.
Come over and I'll explain what we can do.
Yeah.
So you do one like that and just push them a little bit so they're sort of half steady.
Okay.
Okay?
Let's half over the
And then they need to go together. I think we have to do a row at a time.
Can I do this?
Jade, you mustn't stand there.
Yeah. Okay.
Joe, you do the next row. Or do you want to start on the garlic?
Jade, have you actually
Do you want to start on the garlic?
Oh, no, not
I'll
yet.
keep them in a straight row. I'll get the garlic.
Mummy, let's how many times?
Oh, I don't think we should know. We've not used that one.
Oh, yeah, we've got plenty spare, so if there are any that look a bit dodgy, just don't use them.
We'll put them in the compost.
You're actually coming over this way, Emma.
You want to do yours?
We're planting onions.
Sarah, you come in, shall I do the next row?
See what Annie's done? You just push them in very slightly, so they're sort of half in and half out the ground. And if you do the same shape as Annie, in line with Annie's one,
That was good, so.
let me show you. You push them there, you push them.
Do onions go quickly?
No, not really.
Carrot? 8 weeks.
Carrots reasonably.
8 weeks.
In line with
Runner beans. They're really quick runner beans, aren't they?
Brilliant. Really good. Do you know what
What day?
Third.
So
No,
They're
the
the pads. They try and pull them out of the ground.
But the good thing is, this is going to have a cover on to start off with, by the time the birds can get to it.
what are we going to pick up?
Right, a bit closer to the wood with that one.
We are growing.
There's onions, carrots and parsnips so far.
So they buy the carrots, parsnips and onions.
Yeah.
Can I do a row? Can I do a row?
Yeah, Mummy can do a row. We'll do the next row. Super.
She was?